This is a story about a client striving to have the best e-commerce platform to increase their revenue and a mishap along the way. Hi, my name is Dejan. I'm a principal software engineer at G+D Netcetera. My passion is about decomposing complex wishes and creating empowering solutions. At G+D Netcetera, my focus is on digital banking, mobile wallets, and e-commerce platforms. My team and I were in the midst of implementing a cutting-edge online store, complete with new exciting features when the unexpected struck. It was 31st of December, the final day of the year, and one day before my birthday. Just before lunch, issues started to appear. The purchases weren't going through. With the holiday season in full swing, some customers weren't getting the products they paid for. We reached out to our client and immediately they started panicking. The potential impact of the problems could have been disastrous. The timing was terrible. Most teammates were off for the holiday and the celebrations already started in some places. Anyway, we quickly jumped into action. The source of the issue was identified within the hour and the fix was deployed right away. The job was far from over. We needed to make sure that the affected customers got their products and had a positive experience. Still on New Year's Eve, I sat down with my client and together we went through the reports to ensure that everything was correct. The client was at ease again and super happy that there weren't any angry customers. They were impressed of our approach and wholeheartedness. For me, that moment solidified why I do what I do. Yes, I love solving complex technical puzzles, but it's the relationships we build and the trust we earn that truly matter. Knowing we helped our client maintain their reputation and deliver on their promise is what drives me forward every day. Every day.